how to clear cache on Monopoly Go. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can clear cache on Monopoly Go. Now, if you're on Monopoly Go app and you realize that some things are not working as they should, the issue is most likely from the cache of your phone. So how do you clear this cache? The first thing to do is to leave your Monopoly app, and then once you've left it, head over to your settings, and then on your settings page you see a list of options. Ensure you select app management, all right, because that's our focus in this tutorial. And then once you've selected app management, you will take into the app management board. On this board, select app list. Once you've selected app list, in the search bar at the top part of the screen, click on Monopoly Go. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to the Monopoly Go page. Now on this page, I am sure you see storage and cache, which is located above mobile data and Wi-Fi. Now I want you to note that your phone settings might be different from mine. Alright, so just ensure that you locate the headings of the words that I am mentioning, such as the app management, the app list, as well as storage and cache, in case you can't find it as I am here. Just the major thing is to locate the storage and the cache. So once you've located it, you'll be brought to the storage and the cache page, and then by the lower part of the screen you'll see the option clear cache. Okay, clear cache, just click on it. Once you click on it, the cache will be cleared automatically. So this is how you can clear cache on Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.